Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean, remove, replace the main brush on your DREAME X30 Ultra. In order to do it, you will need to remove the robot from its charging station. So I'll do it right now. Now flip it over, and on the back of it you will notice there is the main brush. You can now open it by first opening the door by squeezing these two locks together. Now you can remove the main brush. In order to do it, just take it out. It goes off pretty easily. You can now clean it with water. If there is some hair stuck to it, you can cut it. There is also an included brush that you can use to clean the insides here, but also on the bottom of it, if you have the included brush, you can use this in order to cut the hair. You can see it has a short razor here, and you could just swipe it along the main brush like so to cut some stock hair. Now to put it back in, first find the square part. Now find the square hole. Put the square into the square. So basically on the right side it's like so. You can rotate it while putting it in until it goes in, until it actually goes in, and then push the other side on. This one goes really easily. Then close the door. First attach the front, the part that goes on the front of the robot, then the back with the buttons until it clicks everywhere. Now you can put the robot back in its charging station and it will be done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.